everyone, Monique here, Little Gems Jewelry Canada. Today we are going to be making a gorgeous pair of wire wrapped earrings, and we're going to start that in just a moment. Hi everyone, Monique here, Little Gems Jewelry Canada. Today we are going to make some of our fall collection. So we're going to start working on some earrings, bracelets, necklaces. So today is going to be some earrings. So I found these really cute splatter beads in my collection. And I thought, wouldn't those make some fabulous earrings? So here's what we're going to do. We are going to take some of our aluminum wire. Now this is aluminum wire I get in the welding section. It is 0.8 millimeter. So I thought we could take a good length. I'm probably going to take like about a foot. And cut that. And then we are going to just kind of mess around and see what kind of earring we can get. And you know, a lot of the things you just make from messing around. So this is a bead. So we've got a center. Ooh, I'm not sure. There we go. Okay, so we'll take that down to the middle. Now we're going to take one wire and bend it one way. We'll take the other one and bend it the other way. Now what we're going to do is we are going to take this bend, lift it a bit so that we can get our pliers under there. I'm putting my pliers about here. We're just going to make a loop. Bend that around the plier, readjust, and there we go. And I think we should do the same thing to the other side. So we're going to lift it a bit so we can get our pliers there, put it at around the same width, and we're just going to bend that wire around. But we still want the wires, readjust. We want the wires so that they're going opposite ways. See here? Then I'm going to go around. Let me grab my pliers. I'm going to grab that loop. And we're just going to go around it once, I think. We'll go around it just to secure it nice. There we go. And I'll do the same on this side. Just to secure it. Grab the loop. Go around once. Again, our wires are going in different directions. Now let's start doing some of a design. So I'm just going to bend this, and then we're going to take this wire. We're just going to bend it around the other side. And you want to bend it gently because you don't want it to bend in a way you don't like. So this side I'm going behind, and this side I'm going to go behind as well. And then I think we'll just bring it around to the front. So we'll do the same with this one. We'll bring it around to the front. And maybe at the front there, we'll do a twist. So see, just kind of in the middle there, I did a twist. Let's bring this one, and we'll twist it a little more. And you see what I'm doing with my thumb there? I'm just kind of holding it while I bend it around. And we're bending it just a little bit at a time. We'll do the same with the other one. We're kind of chasing each other. See, so we're getting a little kind of flower in there. And this is just from messing around. So I want that a little bit closer. So I'm just going to keep bending it around. Gently though. Little bits at a time. There we go. There. I like how that's looking. Isn't that nice? Okay, and then I think on this turn here, just getting it nice around there. Yeah. I think then I'm gonna go around the back with this one. And then I'll just come up around here. So see what I've done? I've gone around. I was coming off here, I went around the back, coming up here, and now we will just finish it off around our loop. Take our flat nose. Oh, I have tape on my flat nose, just so you know. So we're just going to bring that towards the back, and then we're going to flatten it. So see, I've got the edge there. We're going to grab that, and we're just going to flatten it around the back because we don't want anything pokey on our jewelry. And then with this one, I think, so this one, we went down here. I think this one, oh, I still feel that pokey. Fix the pokey, you don't want the pokey. Sorry, got too close. There we go. Yeah, much better. Okay. You'll tell by your fingers, okay? So this one, I think we're going to go around one more, and this time we'll go around this eyelet. So we're going to have to go around. We're going to go over top of this one, keeping going, and then we're going to go around here. We'll just go around there a couple times and bring it to the back. Then we will give it a snip and tuck that edge in. See my edge there? We're just going to tuck that in. And this is what we have. Isn't that cute? So now you can use this link. You can use it in a earring. You can use it in a bracelet. I'm finding these straight pieces here a little plain. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to go in with my round nose, and I'm just going to give them a kink. Kind of see that? I did it a little lightning bolt. I'm going to move that a bit. Don't want it quite so close there. I'm just going to give it more of a pronounced there we go. There, that's more pronounced. That gives it a little. And the same with this one up here. I'm finding it a bit boring. So I'm just going to put my pliers. I'm going to give it a little kink. It just adds some character. And there you go. So you could use this on a bracelet. Here, we'll go on this side. You could use it in a bracelet. You could use it in an earring. You could use it as part of a necklace. I am going to use it as an earring, so I'm going to try and make another one similar. But asymmetry is really quite the thing. So, you know, things don't have to be perfectly matched. It's handmade. Handmade means totally unique. So there you go. Just because I like things to, I'm going to give that a twist too. Look at that. I like that. Okay. So make the other one, put on your ear wires and you got earrings, or attach it in part of a necklace or a bracelet. And there you go. That's one of our links. Wait a moment for link number 2. Okay, the next ones we're going to use some copper. Now, again, I get this from the hardware store, and this one is mild steel copper wire, copper colored. Again, I'm going to take a good amount, probably about a foot. A foot is what I seem to like to do. Ooh, I forgot how solid this stuff is. Holy cow. Okay, so I pre-cut these, so I'm gonna move them out of the way. So just so you know, the steel that I bought was an accident. You want to buy copper wire, not steel wire. Steel wire is incredibly strong, at least for these hands. And there it is. What we're going to do now is a stack. So this is what I have for this stack, and we're going to go lighter to darker. So let's start by using our round nose, and we're going to turn this into, okay, so see what I'm doing here? I'm grabbing my wire around closer to the end, but not so close, and we are putting it around our pliers. We're just, yeah, there we go. Okay, so that gives us a bit of an eye pin. Okay, and so now we will go biggest. Now these square stone beads are really neat because they're kind of on the diagonal. Then we will go with the beautiful jade bead, and then we will add a nice wooden bead on top. And this is just called a stack. So now, using the round nose again, we are going to bend the wire. And again, like I said, this wire is very, very solid. So we bent it. We're going to put it about where we had it before and bend that wire back around those pliers to make our loop. Okay. And you just want to hold it, and then we're going to do one twist. Okay, and now this is where you can play with it. You can decide, because this is such a tough wire, you could just put a bend in it, right? Because it's so solid. You could put a bend in it to come up and meet that other, you know, just with a bend. And we're just going to bend it gently. And then we'll bring it back up here. Grab that loop with our pliers, and taking this, we're going to bring it here. It's very solid wire. Don't get the steel, get the copper, not the copper colored. And now I'm just going to bend that around there. Okay. And then, see, so this is a shape. I want to make sure I've got it to about where I want it. Okay. So that's a good shape. Again, it's all about messing around. So now I'm going to cut this excess. And like I said, this is very tough wire. So I'm going to use 2 hands to cut through it. There we go. But that means it will be a solid earring. I'm just going to hook this around that loop. See? Just like this. And then I am going, you know what? I want more of a curve in here. There we go. There, see? Because it was kind of oblong. And then I'm just going to close this. Grab your pliers. Hard to see around a camera, but I'm just going to close this. Bring it and just close it. So we are going to hook it through this loop. I may have to do that off camera. I'll be back. So that took like 2 seconds off camera. So there we go. And then I'm just going to close that. And there we go, guys. You have another neat little link. You can decide with your ear wires. You may need your loop to attach being that way, or you may need it the other way. You'll just manipulate it. And then you do another one. Okay, so that's 2 pairs in like no time. So make your other one. There you go, guys. We have 2 sets of earrings. I mean, they are so cute. I can't wait to list them. And yeah, it really didn't take much of any time at all. And we were just messing around. So if you found any value in this video, please hit that like button and subscribe. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. That's my goal. So if you're not one of my subscribers, then please hit the subscribe. If you are one of my subscribers, then watch every Tuesday to try and do a new tutorial. So thanks so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye now.